Talk to us about the price hikes for its vehicles that Tesla is planning.
Yeah, so Tesla's cheapest model, the cheapest Model 3 is now $46,990 US. And this is the second price hike this month that Tesla's made. And we're really focused on the inflation story right now, the raw materials, the commodity story. But the other side of this for Tesla, don't forget, is that they're in the driving seat, pardon the pun. The demand for their products is so great, and they are so supply constrained anyway in the number of vehicles they're able to build, that they are able to adjust pricing. The street wants them to adjust pricing. There's this great obsession with Tesla's volume, the number of vehicles it sells, but investors have also been very focused on gross margins. And if you look at the chart of Tesla's gross margins, we're talking 30%, which the rest of the industry just doesn't hit.
Yep.
And if you go back through the earnings statements and the transcripts of the earnings calls, they zero in on this idea of protecting margins. So raising prices with this inflationary background is very much a margin story as well.
Ed, can we expect this to be repeated elsewhere? Are other car makers going to be raising prices in the near future?
100%. GM's already raised, prices on its premium SUVs by $1,000 in the last month. They're less nimble than Tesla. They feel the headwind more strongly in terms of those commodities costs. Tesla has long-term supply contracts, right? It has visibility. And the question that we have, and we don't know, is what visibility do Ford, GM, VW have on those components costs.